you'll be equipped. Are you tired of chasing leads that never convert? Discover how Facebook Meta lead ads can revolutionize your strategy. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to launch ads that seamlessly integrate leads into your CRM. Log into Meta Ads Manager and initiate a new campaign. Select Leads as your objective to ensure optimal results. Name your campaign clearly, like September Lead Campaign, and choose Auction as the buying type. In the ad set, define your audience with precision. Opt for Instant Forms to capture leads directly on Facebook or Instagram. Set a budget that aligns with your goals, starting at $10, $20 a day. Select engaging formats like video for better interaction. Write a compelling primary text and headline to grab attention. Use Sign Up or Learn More as your call to action button for maximum impact. Build a simple yet effective instant form. Ask for essential details like name, email, and phone number. Add a privacy policy link and a thank you screen with a clear next step, like check your email for details. Review all settings meticulously. Ensure your targeting, budget, and form are accurate. Once satisfied, click Publish and let Facebook's review process take over. Your ad will soon be live, ready to generate leads. To recap, we've covered setting up a campaign, crafting an ad set, and publishing your ad. By following these steps, you'll harness the power of Facebook Meta lead ads to capture quality leads efficiently. Now, it's your turn. Log into Meta Ads Manager and start your campaign today. With the right strategy, you'll transform your lead generation process. Subscribe for more insights, and let's grow together.